How you going, everybody? I've got a little thing just to tell you now. It's actually quite important. These are the guns that I use. It's called the ets2000. Now that's it there, years old. I bought a few of them. So I basically imported them and then the paint shops get them. Now, someone the other day said that they're at sale at the Bunnings. Okay, so that's from, I'm pretty sure, from Bunnings. Rightio, this is a copy. Ergotech series. Same thing. It's got everything else the same. Looks the same. Same holder. Little bit different colour. Has one major difference. Right, you ready for it? See that button there? This one here, keep running. That one there does not keep running. So I'm just going to test these and show you. So to do this, I'll have to cut the top off because they're dry. Okay. See, it's still coming out. Let's do this one now. Doesn't come out, doesn't run out. Now you think that's not going to be a big problem, but it actually is a big problem. Now when you're buying these things, do not buy the ones with this button here. So this is mine. It doesn't have any buttons. Okay, this is the proper dripless. That one there is a copy of some kind. No bloody good. I used this. This belongs to the owner. So I actually was using this, and what a pain, what a piece of shit compared to my original one, which was in the truck. Looked the same, looked like it came out of the same factory, except it's definitely not. So as you can see there, don't buy the one with this thing here. Buy the one without it. So ets2000, this one actually doesn't have an ETS written on there. But it's still made from the same people, I think, from what I can see. Okay, so just thought I'd bring that to your attention. Do not buy the ones with this, because they might as well just buy the other ones. Buy the ones without that. These are the true dripless ones. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good afternoon. Bye.